Nice. Okay, so 2 packages on this next one, and it's 3 minutes away. Look at that. We will continue the drive. Alright, so this is like a Amazon Tesla, you know, review for the Flex. Like, is it worth it? Is this something that you would do? Alright, so first of all, if you do this with a gas car, you have to pay for gas. Now, I started this with 100% and we're at 86% already. I had to drive all the way to Purcellville, and so I'm gonna give you an exact mileage, percentage, how much, you know, it took. But again, like, I charge for free at work, so I have to pay for charging. So doing this in a Tesla makes it a lot more worth it. And then on top of that, I'm using FSD. So, you know, this kind of like an autonomous hustle right there. In my head, that was the whole reason why I signed up for this, right? I thought it would be easy, to be honest with you. And it's not hard, but it's not foolproof either. It's like, you know, you kind of have to like know what you're doing. Like, you can't deliver the wrong package to the wrong house, but they make it very easy with their systems. And between Tesla and Amazon, they need to get together already and just make these mapping systems, delivery robo-taxi systems. They would be the ones to do it, because Amazon is all over the place, and I mean all over the place. They got me taking cars in spots where I've never been. So that's cool, you know, I get to explore new places with the FSD, and especially with this being my area anyway. So alright, here we go. Purcellville is just slightly out the area, but here we go. And we got actually 2. And it pulled into the garage. Alright, let's see if we can find the 2. Alright, there's 1. And there's 2, just like that. Not bad. Alright, let's scan them in. Alright, be right back. Alright, and we're 2 minutes away from our next stop. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Alright. Still no V13. I don't even think 12.6 does that. So can't wait to see. Look at all the deer right there. See if the Tesla picks up the deer. Picks up something. See, it saw a person. Nice. That's one thing about this area is you got to be super careful. A lot of deer out. And you can see they're out in just like regular suburban neighborhood like this. Alright, so successful first couple stops. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying. What in the world is FSD doing? Alright, there it goes. Figured it out. Here we go, going down A Street. It has been really nice cooperative weather, which is another reason why I decided to do this, because in the cold it's not too much fun, but as long as the weather can keep up and stay nice, I will you know, do this. Actually, it's not bad. It's kind of fun. Get to play around with FSD, see how it reacts in different neighborhoods and addresses, and the way it pulls into people's driveways and stuff. It's pretty cool. Alright, look at that. We're here. We're gonna make this our last stop of the night, and let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's an easy one. And it does. Look, it pulled. No! Alright, see, that one I had to take over. It was gonna pull into the driveway and then it was gonna fix itself. Because that's actually not even the right house. Good thing I figured that out. This is the right house. Alright, let's see how long it takes for me to find the packages now. I have parked one package, medium customized box. Should make it a little easier. Or not. I think I know where it is. Alright, found it. There we go. Alright, hopefully everyone enjoyed this video, got a little information out of it, and it was fun to watch. And if you did enjoy it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching. And make sure you check out some of my other videos as well too. A lot of fun to shoot. So yeah, thanks again for watching and have a great day.